Hello, friends. We're doing fact families, another fact family lesson, and this will help us with 3.8 and 3.9. I'm not sure if you have to do 3.9 this week, but I know you will next week, so it's best to have the video made already. Miss Grace giggling in the background, giggling while she's reading her book. So let's do the numbers. Let me find my book and let's do the numbers. I'm supposed to roll, so I will roll. The top number is a 4. So 4, I want to do 4, 3, and 1. So if we remember, when we subtract, the biggest number comes first. And since we have subtraction problems here, the biggest number is going to come first. So we have 4, and I'm just going to put one down there too. So we start at the top. 4 minus 3 equals 1. And then we do it again. 4 minus 1 equals 3. And then when we add, the biggest number comes last. So for this one, we want to end up at the top. And when we do, we go 1 plus 3 equals 4. And then to flip it over, we start with a 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. And that is the fact family for 1, 3, 4. We have 4 minus 3 equals 1. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Let's erase this and roll again. And my eraser doesn't really want to work well on these sheets, but that's okay. We can have, I keep rolling a 4. There we go, 6. Let's do 6, 5, and 1. So let's have you try this at home. I'm going to have you try this. Remember, when you subtract, the biggest number comes first, and when you add, the biggest number comes last. So we have 5, 1, and 6. 5, 1, and 6. So when we subtract, the 6 goes first. So we have 6 minus 5 equals 1. And then subtract again. 6 minus 1 equals 5. And we just go around. 6 minus 5 equals 1. And then 6 minus 1 equals 5. So let's roll again. Nope, we don't need to roll again. We haven't done the adding yet. Oh, Lord. So we have 5 plus 1 equals 6, and then 1 plus 5 equals 6. So our fact family number sentences are 6 minus 5 equals 1, 6 minus 1 equals 5, 5 plus 1 equals 6, and 1 plus 5 equals 6. So let's, instead of erasing, let's just flip it over. I just remember we had the back on this. I got a fancy this time. Ooh, a 0. So I want a 0 to be one of these numbers. 0. And let's do another a roll. 0 and 7. 7's our biggest number. And let's do another 7. So we can do 7. And with the same number here, because we have 0, we can do the same number. 7 minus 0 equals 7. 7 minus 0 equals 7. Or 7 minus 7 equals 0. So the biggest rule number doesn't apply here because we have the 2 the same, and then they're the biggest number. So we have 7 plus 0 equals 7, or 0 plus 7 equals 7. Let's do another one. I don't want a 7 again. Ooh, I don't want a 6. That was on the 8. I like 8s. 8, and let's do 5 and 3. You do this at home. Write down your number sentences. Okay, you should have something written down at least. And on this one, the biggest number is 8. So we are subtracting first. So let's do 8 minus 3 equals 5. And then we could do it again. 8 and go opposite way around the triangle. 8 minus 5 equals 3. And then we'll start down here. 3 plus 5, because we always want to end at 8 when we add, equals 8. Or end at the biggest number, not end at 8 all the time. Depends on the numbers. And then we can do the opposite way. 5 plus 3 equals 8. We have a back on this one, so we might as well do it. Give me a good number. Oh, I want a good number. 9. I want the number 9. We got it. 9. Let's do 9, 6, and 3. Do this on your own. Okay, so since we're subtracting first, we have to put the 9 first, and we'll start at the top. And we're going to go this way first. So 9 minus 3 equals 6. And we got to go around the triangle the other way. 9 minus 6 equals 3. And then we can do the addition. And when we add, we want the biggest number last. So we have 6 plus 3 going around equals 9. Then we'll go around the opposite way. 3 plus 6 equals 9. And that will help you with 3.8 and 3.9.